Hello world, this is a quick update just to let you know what I've been up to and where I've been for the past couple of months. I have been deep diving into 3D design because I quickly realized with my 3D printer that I was just copying and pasting other people's designs onto my printing bed. And that's cool for a while. That works for about 6 months to a year, and then you start to really want to print things that you design yourself. There's things that you wish you had or cases that you want to make for your electronic builds, for example, and you quickly realize that you don't have the skills to do that. And the learning curve is extremely steep. So what do? You find some great tutorials. One channel that I would highly recommend to anybody, especially if English is not your first language, is Adventures in Creation. If you want to learn how to do CAD design and the excellent free program called FreeCAD, I highly recommend you check out his channel. He is incredibly good at teaching, and I always appreciate a good teacher who explains things very slowly and very simply so that you can get on with your day. So go ahead and check his channel out. He's got great tutorials. So what I've been doing is trying to perfect my laser concept, my DIY trip laser alarm. I went into Home Depot once and I saw that they had a few tripwire laser things in the door section. So if you go into the door section, you can see that if you're in the US. I think they start out around 40 to 50 bucks. There might be one for 30. I'm not quite sure about that, but I wanted to make my own. I got a little carried away, so I instantly made the 4 laser with the 4 light sensor resistors, and it turned into a freaking mess. It was way too complex. It's pretty much done. However, I just need to put the final board together. I have it soldered up. I have it in my hand as we speak. There's just something in me that says I don't want to put that in there yet. So I'm going to release a single laser 3D printable box laser all in the case, along with another case where you put in the light sensitive resistor. So you put the 2 ends on opposite sides of your door frame, you turn them on, and they will function together. So when the laser is not being put onto the light sensitive resistor, which is what's called an LDR, it will tell the chip that the light levels have dropped, and then it will sound the alarm, much like I showed you in my community posts, and I believe I have a YouTube short about that on this channel. So we've been picking up subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you that stops and takes time out of your very busy day to watch my videos, to study this stupidly complex and insane hobby that I call electronics, robotics, making shit, whatever you want to call it. I really appreciate every single one of you that takes those few minutes out of your day, do a little dive into your curiosity. I hope to make it worth your time. If you don't learn anything, I hope that at least you'll be entertained. So I will be making a lot more videos with Jiff in the future, and I need to make some tweaks on him. I kind of broke him. He breaks all the time, all right? I slapped that thing together with a peanut butter jar lid and some scraps. A Halloween mask and some ping pong balls and some bullshit, okay? I slapped that thing together. It took a while. It broke. I put him in a suitcase once and he was completely destroyed. I think he was destroyed before then, but he wasn't finished, you know? He wasn't really working. So he was kind of bizarre. If you look at my old video, you'll see. Anyway, expect a lot more free CAD, and I will be posting the STL files on my website. I will also be doing more live streams. I have my Streamdeck, as you can hear. This was a design by a creator named Mr., and I believe that's his YouTube channel name, and I think he streams on Twitch. He streams video game stuff. He has a PDF file that comes with the STL files that you can print yourself, and it works flawlessly. I have 4x3 Cherry MX switches. I got the green one, so it's a little bit clicky, but not too much, and you can still feel a little feedback when you push your finger into the button. And then they have these super duper buttery smooth sliders. I got 4 of them, so you can use this for things like volume control or fading in something, during your stream. So if you're interested in that in the near future, I will be giving away some builds. I'm putting these together kind of as practice, and I want to give them away to you. I'm glad you're here. You're glad you're here. While you're waiting for the full-length tutorials and videos, make sure to check out all of my YouTube shorts and my community posts, which are focused around 3D printing, various electronics that I build and collect over the years, as well as various video game Easter eggs. Stay tuned, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next video.